Sleep, sleep, sleep. Welcome back to my natural hair channel, Locks of Kinks. It's yours truly, Scotty. Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy flexi rod set, so keep it locked. We're going to use today just leave-in and some mousse. So I really wanted to do mousse because I noticed that it just seems so defined, it just seems so smooth, and it looks really moisturized. So the brand that I wanted to use, they didn't have them up, and I'm talking, I went to 2 different Targets, I done went to Walmart, they ain't have it. So I was like, okay, let me just find a substitute, okay? Using the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. This mousse is supposed to have soft curls also while defining them and taming frizz. Right? Because I want to do this curl rod set so bad. I got something to do Saturday. I'm trying to be cute. I have already washed and detangled my hair using the One Love Co-Wash by The Do, so check out my review on that. For this style, I will be using the horseshoe method for the flexi rods. I won't go into great detail on the horseshoe method just because I already have a video on that, but I will be giving helpful tips to achieve a great flexi rod set.
DillyGotItBumpin.
While wrapping your hair, you want to make sure your hair is really smooth to take the shape of the flexi rod. You can do this by detangling your section first, holding your hair taut as you wrap, and detangling as you go along. And if you missed that, just continue watching to see what I mean. You can see here that I'm adding additional product to the ends of my hair as I'm wrapping. I'm just doing that to make sure the ends of my hair stick to the flexi rod. The ends of the hair make the curls, so if your ends are frizzy, it's a good chance the rest of your hair will be frizzy as well. So I just put a bit of gel on the ends. My hair will probably be frizzy anyway because I believe I'm due for a trim. To ensure that my hair stays smooth and the ends stay in place, you will see that I will try to bend the flexi rod right where my hair ends.
DillyGotItBumpin. DillyGotItBumpin.
So just as I expected, it's definitely time to get my ends trimmed. So my hair will probably become frizzy very fast. To try and save my curls, I added a bit more oil to this side as I separated the curls. So I could not find my pick, so I caught myself picking with my fingers to give my hair a bit more shape.
DillyGotItBumpin.
My hair is nice, soft, and fluffy, so I have to give it to Lotta Body. They did what they said they were gonna do, and it was cheap. It was only like $4 from Walmart. So I might have to try this again in the near future once I get these ends trimmed and give it another go, because my hair, I still think my hair looks good. I still think it looks good regardless of me needing a good trim. Okay, I know y'all see these ends. Ooh, baby, it's time for them to go. But my hair is nice and soft. My hair is nice and defined. It's not crunchy. And it's frizz-free for what it's worth, you know, with these ends on here. For a cheap styling foam, this is where it's at. Lotta Body, you got it. Get right. Get right.